Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can track order on CNFans. The first thing that you want to do is open up CNFans here, then click on account in the bottom right, go to your orders, and then here you want to copy the order ID, which is this number. You have the option to copy it directly by clicking on the paper icons next to it. So once we have copied the order ID, you will go into your browser and search for 17 track. Here you want to open up this website. It's going to show us this, used in over 200 countries. You will enter the number right here. So you can go and paste that number. It's going to show us how it works, and we will just click on track. Here, if it's a actual order, you will be able to see it, but you can also select your carrier, who you are expecting, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and a sub, and I'll see you next time.